Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your Redmi Note 5 Pro has at least 20% battery and mobile data enabled. Otherwise, the hotspot won't share internet. Open Settings, then tap Network and Internet or Portable Hotspot depending on your MIUI version. Once there, toggle mobile data on, then switch the Wi-Fi hotspot toggle to on. This begins the hotspot service. You do this now so the phone can act as a router, and broadcast and SSID other devices will see and join. Once the hotspot is active, configure its details so devices connect securely. Tap Hotspot Settings, change the SSID to something recognizable, and choose WPA2PSK Security. This prevents open access. Enter a strong password of 8 to 16 characters. Numbers, letters, and symbols are best. Also make sure to select the AP band. 4 GHz for wider compatibility. 5 GHz for faster local speeds if both your devices support it. Save changes so the new credentials take effect immediately. Now connect other devices. On the client, scan Wi-Fi, pick your SSID, enter the password, and join. If multiple devices struggle, limit the number connected or enable Data Saver to reduce background usage. To finish, verify internet works by loading a web page. Make sure mobile data is still on. If it fails, restart the hotspot or reboot the phone, confirm the AP band matches client capability, and recheck your carrier allows tethering. These quick steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.